Hello vlog. Today we are at Bloom Coffee and Tea Cafe something. They serve Verve here and we just found this out about a month ago and we love the Verve.
Love it.
So I think we're going to potentially go to the mall, take kids to play. Maybe. We're not sure. But we gotta go to Target. Zoe wants to go and buy a toy. Zoe wants to buy a toy with her Target gift cards.
Yeah.
And then we gotta pick up some fruit.
And I have $10. Well, I don't have 10. Did I push one? I have no $10.
Took us a little bit to find parking, but we are here. Cleaning Jordan's ring at Devon's. We ran into some friends at the mall and we hung out with them for a while, and now we're at the Lego store. I've been in search for a Lego Porsche and they haven't had one in stock for I think a couple years, she said. But then I came this time and I found one, a GT3, a yellow color. It's very nice looking for only 26 bucks. It's pretty good. You excited to build it?
Yes.
Mall just got an espresso store. Got Jordan's ring back.
It's pretty.
I got pretty, dude. We just got to Target. We just had a good little meal. Gonna go shopping after this. Jordan might get a matcha because she is hungry for the matcha type of gaily.
Look at me and sweat.
Bro.
Crazy.
Crazy boy.
Yeah.
That is cute. Is that for an ant? Oh, those are cute, babe. I like those. Yeah, those are cute.
Really?
We're gonna check the toys for Zoe.
I want to take the toys. Where?
Where the toys at? We made it over to Target, made our returns. Kids are checking out the Nintendo games again. Zoe's playing the Super Mario Bros. Wonder.
Oh, come on. How do I get this?
She's debating on if she wants to buy it or not. We're back home. Got some pizza for the evening. We got some. And then Zoe got her Princess Peach game with her
Where did
birthday
you get
money.
that from?
I pulled it out of your ear.
No, you didn't. You got it out of my fanny pack. That's why it was open. Oh my gosh.
So JJ and I finished up our Millennium Falcon. Jordan colored this, and Zoe did this.
I did a cake, and then I did a cat donut.
So here's the mic.
Okay.
It's in perfect condition.
Okay.
So you just push that in. One tap, hold, it'll pop up, and then you'll see it kick in. So now it's good to go.
Do you take 300 for both? 2, 1.
Yeah, I'll do that.
All right. Yeah, let's do it. All right. Thank
it.
you so much.
Yeah,
Have a good day.
Praise God. I was able to finally sell my gimbal and sold the mics that I had on Facebook Marketplace. I had them on there for so long. I think I've been trying to sell my gimbal for like a year or a year and a half now. Very excited that I finally got rid of it because I haven't used it in almost 2 years. I've just been freehanding it, or I have my Osmo Pocket 3 which has the gimbal in the camera. I'm gonna go deposit the money in the bank and then head back home, get some lunch. I think we're gonna be watching a movie with the kids or something. Praise God. Happy Sunday. All right, I'm back home. JJ and I are gonna do our Lego, our Porsche Lego. Bag one.
Yep.
This is what we're looking at right now. Looks pretty good. Got some stickers on the sides and the back. Looking good.
Look at this. We made it.
Super cool. Sick, dude. So dope.
Can we take a picture of it?
Hello, vlog. Did you want to say hi?
Hello.
JJ and I are going to go to Target right now to pick up an order. We're not going to go inside. I got some cleaning stuff and then I got something for a little surprise for him.
What is it, Dad? Is it Lego?
Hey, how are you doing?
Hi, good. 6547.
6547. And where was you like?
I'll take it right here. Thank you.
You have a good one.
You too.
This is my first time getting this.
All right, let's see what it is. Lego go-karts?
Yeah.
All right, let's go build them.
Yeah.
So we finished JJ's car, all craggled up. Good to be never broken. And Zoe's doing hers right now. She got the yellow one with the gill. JJ got the dude with the beard. We are in the car again. We just got word that Jordan's place of employment is burning down. We don't know if it's a joke or not. We haven't heard back from her boss, and the last thing he said that it was their place that burned up, and we don't know if he's joking. So
If he's joking, that's really cruel.
yeah. Oh, there's the fire right there.
Yeah, I know, I see it.
There's the smoke up in the air right there. Hopefully he's joking.
So all my boss did was I said, "Are you joking?" And he just emphasized it, but hasn't texted back.
Like
He's typing right now. It's
What?
the fields behind the school. Fire got big fast. They evacuated the school since kids were there for sports practices. Have a Cal Fire plane circling. Looks like they got control of it though. So he was joking. Why, bro?
Well, at least it's
Praise
not
God.
burnt up.
Praise God.
I was really wondering what this next season of life was gonna look like.
Same.
I'm cleaning this area, my front porch. It has been so messy with spider webs and just dirt, leaves, everything. I got everything swept. Now it's time for the water. It looks so much better. Saw a billion spiders while I was cleaning though. Once everything's dry, I'm gonna spray some bug spray because it was pretty bad out there. But yeah, it's a lot cleaner now. So I bought a new shower head and had to take it off because our master bedroom shower is really tiny. You know, I'm in here and you know, there's not much. I bought one and the head was like right here, shooting right here. Had to move it to our guest bathroom. I am about to put it up right now. So I'm about to twist it on and install it. But yeah, it's a nice one. And so the kids and Jordan, because Jordan normally takes showers in here, she wanted to try out the new head last night, so she took a shower in my bathroom, and that's how we figured it didn't work out. I'm gonna tighten that up, test it, make sure everything's good. Also, I ordered a new one for my bathroom, and it's supposed to be here today, so hopefully that all works out, because I would like a shower head for tonight. Let's see how that works. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Works good. Shower heads here. This is like more of a, you know, top down type of thing instead of like shooting forward. So it should be a lot better. Let's try it out. Wow, dude, look at that thing. It's like a mirror. Okay, let's figure out how to put this on. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. So I think this is magnetic. Wow. Okay, no leaks, that's good. We're all good.
I lost 2 times by these cards. First, I went to that when I was so close to winning. I was like right here. And then I went to this. It's crazy. Nope. One purple.
Alright, Zoe. You're blue.
Oh my god.
Yellow.
Again.
Dang. AJ won 3 times in a row.
Wait. No, 2. Wait.
You won good? Wait, this is yours. I just picked up the Office Lego set. I've been wanting it, but I was like, I don't want to spend $120. I found it on Facebook Marketplace for $60. Some lady was willing to wheel and deal with me, so I got it in this box right here. Right now, brand new, it goes for $176, I believe. So I really, really scored here. The reason why it's so expensive is because it got retired in 2022. So I waited that, you know, those couple years and they retired it. And they haven't made it since then. Just so glad I found it in mint condition with like all the extra Lego pieces that come with it. So I'm super pumped about that. I swapped cars. I got the kids with me. I am headed out for a Facebook Marketplace sale. Got to go to the mall, and after that we got to go to Target to make a return. I've had a busy day so far, but that's a good thing. When I get home, hopefully I'll get to do some Legos, de-stress, and hang out with the kids. All right, we made our Facebook Marketplace sale. I got a better camera angle so you can see the whole car, which is nice, and it's, yeah, and JJ and Jordan will be right here, and Zoe's over there. So it's gonna be nice to have this hands-free and it'll look good. We made our return.
Wow.
Kids got some snacks. Is it good?
We got muffin and lemon loaf. The lemon loaf had lemon frosting. It was delicious.
It was very good, huh?
Mostly JJ ate the lemon loaf and then I ate the muffin mostly, but we shared a little.
So I forgot to record building this. I got it all looking good. I got Kevin over here spilling the chili, Meredith with her coffee and her bat, freaking out, and everybody all here and doing their thing. Dwight with his Shroot Bucks. And also, I brought out the Friends Lego set that Jordan and I have. We're gonna put that together. Hopefully tonight we'll start it. And then our friend bought Zoe this castle, the Disney World castle. So we're gonna do this hopefully tomorrow. If not tomorrow, maybe this weekend. I think Zoe for sure wants to get this one done tomorrow. We did this a few years ago and her and I had so much fun, so we're gonna do it again. And then hopefully I can get some displays. We love Legos, we love building them. The kids love it. They're so much fun, honestly. The kids just love playing with them. The little ones I super glue for JJ so that he can just play, and you know, he drops Legos all the time. So like the little Star Wars ships, they're like this big. I super glue them for him so he doesn't, you know, he doesn't get upset when he drops them. He dropped this one a few weeks ago. I had to put it back together. I did not super glue this one because it's a bigger set, so I just left it as is. Also, there is Emmett from the Lego Movie with the lightsaber. And then I have the TIE Fighter that Jordan and I built a couple years ago. Oh, and also my Porsche.
Interpretaré tu silencio entonces, pero estás a tiempo todavía, así que habla ahora o calla para siempre.